Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com. I've been getting a lot of emails about how do I find these SNR levels and where do I get it from, because when I have these numbers here everywhere on my chart, people get they keep asking. You see all these numbers here, there. So let's take a look. For example, we take a look at the EUR-USD chart and try to find the relevant, most useful SNR level. Where do we find? And it's not only EUR-USD. I'm just going to show EUR-USD. It's one pair that goes for every single thing, every single pair, commodity, whatever. So how do you start? Is that open a chart. For example, this is a EUR-USD, and then make the theme whatever the color you like, whatever. This is the color that I like, right? You can always change it by you can go here, right click, properties, and then you go and check change the color of the background, the grade, bar going up, bar coming down, all of that. All right, so so many things here you can change the colors and make your theme whichever looks good to your eyes. So now back to the topic. How do we find the best SNR level? So first you open a plain chart, then turn into a monthly chart. Okay, and now you see this monthly price is making highs and lows, swing high and swing low, not every candle high and low. Swing high means that this is, for example, from here we're going to swing high, and this whole thing is swing low, then swing high, then swing low, right? Then swing high, and then this is the low, then this is the high, then this is the low, then this is a high, right? Then this all the way low, high, low, high, low. These are the main points. Of course, you have small numbers in between, but we're going to talk about that later. But so what you do is that you start marking them, and I use this tool here, and make like a small yellow bullet on each highs and lows, and then type the number whatever they are, right? And these are the most important numbers. And then right there I can see that high is in the bottom. It says the number 4938. So I'm gonna do is write down here 4938. Okay, and whatever the color, the size, you can choose, and then you can just put the number here. Similarly, put all the bullets on all these points and the bullets, and write down all the numbers for your record and save the template in the bottom so that you don't lose it, or you can even print the copy of it. Similarly, once you're done with this, right, then what you do is more important than this monthly chart is the weekly chart. Turn into a weekly chart, and then go and do the same thing here. Okay, all the highs and the lows, and then bullets and everything, and write down those numbers. So now I'm going to show you that the chart I already have made, and it's done. It looks like this. Okay, see all the bullets, all the numbers and everything. I know it's a hard work and it's a long work, but it's one time, and you can save the chart, and that's it. It's forever. For 10 years from now, this chart is good, right? Look at it here. What is the time here? It's 2015. We are in 2019 right now. So all these numbers play a very, very big role right now. I can show you right now how and what happens. So now from these weekly chart, all these numbers and some of the monthly numbers, which are not shown here because the chart is small in the screen, right? So you can see there are from big numbers which are not shown on this weekly. From the monthly chart, I have drawn the white lines, and then I write down monthly low, monthly high, monthly low. These are the monthly numbers. Now I know that all the weekly numbers and the monthly numbers, which are important and will be playing out in our trading. But here on this chart, you don't trade and you can't see anything what's happening. So you need a smaller time frame. If if you're using the regular candles, excuse me, that's fine, but I'm using a little different type of candles. I'm going to show it to you. Excuse me. This is what I use, right? My 33-minute chart, and all of those numbers, where these numbers are, let me show you that you can see clearly that we bounced from here 3 times. What is this line? White line is 1118. Where is that number on a weekly chart? Is right there. I had it marked, right? Then we bounce from here and we go straight up here somewhere, right? And then we came down, we went bounce up there, and it came down 3 times, and then finally we bounced from here and went up to what, 1300 number. This, we got stopped here. Where is 1300? 1300 is right there. This is the low, or 1299 high. These are 2 numbers there, right? And I'm sure that we have some number here as well which are missing, which is maybe around like 1250 something. If we have anything here, we can see and look, maybe on the monthly chart. I don't see anything here. 12 something, maybe this. No, this is the same thing almost. The 1213 we have. What is this here? This is small low here. I didn't mark here. This is 1234. That's the one. That price is stopped there. Let's go to 1234. Okay, so we're gonna mark here 1234, and let's see where it come. 1234 is this, right? So it's sort of very close. We are like half candle up. The reversal candle is half and half, half on the other side, half on this side. So that is the level that is being stopped. And then we drop here again. We drop this one after 1300. We drop back to 1213. Where is 1213? In play is 1213 is this low here. Okay, you see that it's just ping pong in between these levels. From 1213 we bounce and we go back all the way to 1365 on Friday, last Friday, today Saturday, yesterday, right? Where is 1365? Was that the target if you were long? Yes, where it is, 1365, right there. This is the high here, 1365. The next number would be 1376, then 1427. These are the numbers. These are the numbers that the price regards all the time. You must know, and you draw these numbers. If you're using 5-minute, 15-minute regular chart, for entries, that's fine. But I use 33-minute chart and then 7-minute chart for entries. You can see that how nicely we bounced from here. Then we found a new entry here, and then there's another entry here, and then all the way to 1365. This is my 7-minute chart for entry. So this is how you do it. Very simple. Again, just open up a plain simple chart and then start marking these numbers. When people subscribe and join my group, I give them the template for my monthly chart and the weekly chart, where all these numbers and everything are already drawn, right? And then they can only simply apply the open the chart, apply the template, and boom, you have it, right? So this is how you find SNR level. And it is not only EUR-USD, everywhere, every single instrument, every single Forex pair, you do the same. I have made weekly charts of everything. For example, EUR-Aussie, you want to see this is my EUR-Aussie chart, weekly chart. All the numbers are here, and I made this chart. Let me, if I can show you quickly that how I made the chart and what is happening so far. You will be amazed. And we made hundreds and thousands of pips using these highs and lows. And this is my EUR-Aussie. Not this, forget about this. Let me just go back several charts, and then you will find my weekly chart, the one I made really probably in April or something. I'm just getting there. Not even that. That yeah, it has to be in April or May. I see all these long. You see all of those long trades that I've been taking. Okay, not even this one. I made that chart. Okay, this is the one. You see that? This chart in 21st April I made is EUR-Aussie long weekly chart, saying that from here we're gonna bounce and go up, and the eventual target is 65.97. But all these numbers, 55.88, 61.38, 59.75, 60.72, 62.48, all of these will be coming in the way while we are going to the upside. And so far we are from here to where? Look here. We bounce from here and we are all the way there, and we are a little bit shy of this 65.97 target, right? But all in all, I'm just going to show the one chart that's showing my long trades is this. See what I'm doing? EUR-USD, when I have a long setup here, just above the number 61.38, go long 62.48. We broke above it. We find another entry, go straight to 63.56. We found a long, and then we went straight to 64.50. These are the numbers, and then you take the entries in between from either 20-minute or 7-minute chart. Okay, so this is the beauty of having these weekly charts, weekly high and low numbers. Make your weekly charts like this one, or like EUR-USD. Make the open chart, and then plain and simple, and then start working with all those bullets and numbers, and then save these charts, print those charts, and keep them, and then transfer those numbers to a smaller time frame to make the entries above or below those numbers. So I hope this video helped you in any way. I'm gonna send that to all my subscribers, and leave this open, because I've been getting a lot of emails that where do I get these numbers. This is where do I get it. It's simple. Okay, so I hope it's helpful for you. This is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.